A,
A,
E,
B,
B,
D, C,
D,
D,
C,
E,
D,
you say E,
E,
F,
F,
G,
G,
H,
H,
I,
I,
J,
D,
K,
E,
L, M,
N,
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 O,
O,
P,
B,
Q,
I,
Q.
N,
You say Q?
Cock,
Okay, that's good. R,
O,
S.
Oliver,
Okay, don't worry about it. R,
O,
S,
S,
T,
T,
U,
U,
V,
E,
W.
C.
Can you say W? W?
C.
Can you say W?
X,
Okay, W, X, Y,
A,
Z.
Z.
What does Z stand for? What does Z stand for?
Z.
Zachary, can you say Zachy?
This is what it stands for.